Okay, good morning everyone. So welcome to another design tutorial video. So today we'll be designing a very simple birthday flyer. So the first thing we'll be doing is setting our image size. I want to teach you a new way of setting your image size. So the lower part of your Pixellab, this place that is highlighted that is as if two squares, one square is on top of another square. Go there, then you see from gallery. Click on from gallery. So this is the design we are working on. Click on that design. That's if you have a design you are replicating. Press OK. You see, it has been set to the image size of that design. That same place where there is from gallery, you see color. Click on color. You cannot change it to any color you want. White, black. So let's use white. Okay. Bring in your background. Plus from gallery. Okay. The background we used. Browse. As after clicking the three dots, browse. The background we use is in pins. So this is the background we used. Okay, this is not the background we used from gallery, but it's similar. Three dots, browse. So let me look for the exact one I used. Okay, this is the exact one I used. Yes, this is the exact one I used. Okay, I'm going to increase it. Let me delete the other one. I'm going to increase it, then centralize. Okay, now lock it and then bring in your image. Now this is the first image I used. If you notice in the design I brought in and used as image, the image was dark. I had to edit it a bit, although it's still a bit blurred, but yeah. So I kind of cropped the one I made use of to make it big. Centralize and then lock it. Okay, now we're going to blend. So to blend is plus sign, shapes, go down, gradient, click on the plus sign. Now this black represents the down and this white represents the up. Now clicking on the black that represents the down, you click on this color. It's as if bucket is pouring color. Click on it. Click on this one that is not so pencil like up here, and then pick color from the girl's clothes. Yes, because we want to blend the image. Now, okay, click on this one that represents the up. Click on the color that is as if buckets. I'm saying all these things so you actually understand what I'm saying. And now, this place that is moving, drag it down. We're trying to achieve a transparency. Okay, we've achieved what we want to achieve. Now, we're going to be blending. Copy, take it down. Copy it again, take it down. What we're trying to do is just blend the image to the background. Copy it again, take it down. Okay, now you're going to lock it. Bring in your other image. Sorry. Okay, let me bring in this design so we'll be looking at it. Bring in your other image. The one I edited. This should be it. Yes. Okay. Now just place it by the side here. Reduce it a bit and place it here. Now lock it. Okay. Now we're going to be putting the other one in a frame. I placed it in a frame. Browse. Remove BG. Remove BG. Okay. This is what I used. Okay. Now we're going to be bringing in the third image. Because that's what we are placing in our. Now we're going to use the one that has the white background because of what we are trying to do. Now place it under it. Yes. Now we're going to merge it. When you click here, click on this down place. Yes. Now merge the frame and the picture. Click on this place, this place, this place, this place, and press OK. And it has been merged. Now you're going to reduce it, reduce and rotate, and then drag it under the picture. Drag it under the picture and then place it here. Place it here, okay? Now we're going to lock it and then text. This is the birthday text that we made use of. We're going to place it down here. We're going to change the font. Actually, remember when you highlight, go to this A and then look for font. We made use of Montserrat Regular. We made use of Montserrat Regular. And then text again. Happy birthday. Okay. And we're going to change the font. So the font I used was this Mabesnar Regular. Okay. I'm going to place it here. And the color I made use of black. Now copy this happy birthday. I'm going to be writing Amanda. I never wanted this video to be this long. Fonts. The fonts we used was autograph. So increase it. And then remember to highlight, then change the color. So the color I used, so still increase it. Amanda. Plus shapes. Now increase the shape a bit. Okay, now I'm going to be placing it here because it's something we want to write. Remember to highlight, then color. For text, we make use of this P color. For shapes? Why for text it will be like a bucket in the color. Okay. Now copy it. Copy it. Copy it. And then place it here. Place it here. Okay. Sorry this video took this long. Now I'm trying to align it. Okay, now I'm going to write text. Beautiful. I made use of Montserrat Regular. Okay, now reduce the text. Reduce it very well. Place it on one of these shapes. Copy the beautiful. Place it on the second shape. But the beautiful we are doing in this one, we're using 05. This is the date of the birthday. 10th, 2025. Okay. Okay. We've achieved what we want to achieve in this design. It's something very simple, but I'm sure you also learned a lot in this process. We're using simple things because we are still learning. So with time, maybe we'll move to complex designs. But I hope you learned a lot in this. Okay, bye. See you in the next design video. Stay tuned.